So I'm on my way to the storage unit now. Not sure what's all is in there, but I know we have some good items for camping. So I'll see y'all there. Back to the storage unit. I think we're 31, so see what's in there. Alright, what do we got here? Got post hole diggers if we need to dig a hole. Might need a generator. Got some nice sleeping bags. See y'all in a few. Let's finish with the storage unit. Got some pretty good stuff. We got a gig in case we want to go floundering, that'll come in handy. We need some life jackets. Got some good cooking stuff. Bunch of pans in there. A little generator I found. Didn't know we had. Some chairs, sleeping bag. I got an extension cord back there. The other guys are gonna get the rest of the stuff. And I got some more stuff at my grandpa's house that we can get. So yeah. Walmart now. I'm gonna meet the guys up there to stock up on some food and some supplies for tomorrow. Just got done at the Wally.
We got a whopping.
How much did you say?
80 plus 70 plus 40, whatever that is.
Whatever that is. We got some good stuff. I think we under got it, but I don't know.
Watch this.
We'll see. Today is the day. We're about to go to school, and once we get done with school, we're gonna come back. We got everything packed up. We're all really excited. I hope the weather permits, but yeah, we'll see. Loaded the old Largo up. Got our cooking stuff, chairs, fire logs, got our gigs, little mat for our tent. Got some wood, probably not enough, but extension cord, filled her up with gas, our generator. I think we're all set. From the launch, got her in nice, boat's pretty packed. Island's over there.
Don't back up.
Try not to back up in sand. We're gonna have to make 2 trips. We almost fit everything, but we're looking good. Little foggy, but that never hurt anyone. So yeah, looking forward to it. How wet is it? Nice.
Okay, hold on.
We're doing it.
Can I put this under here?
Yeah. Here's our island. Very noble. And we're ready. I think we're gonna go back over there where we saw a little better beach. There's a bunch of spiders on here, so yeah. There's a kayaker, pretty windy, but we're gonna give the other spot a shot. Spot, just pulled on shore. Looks pretty promising. There's a big beach over there. Might even be a trash can. We parked there to be out of the wind on both sides. And we hope the barges won't cause too much wake. But this spot looks really good. We brought some hammocks. Hopefully we can set up in those trees maybe. So yeah, we're ready. Alright, we finally got set up. Got the generator running. Charge our phones. Here's our tent. Got me and Logan, and then Colton brought his own. Here's our little food setup. Cooler. Trash bucket. We need some more firewood. Some dead bushes out there, but we'll go back. There's our fuel. Here's our fire. It's been going for about 3 hours. Just cooked some good burgers on it. Here's Tristan's setup. And now they're fishing. Haven't caught anything yet, but hope we will. Tristan's got something on the line.
He lose it just because he's farting.
I think it's the Loch Ness Monster.
I think it's a catfish. I'm going with a catfish.
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 I don't know.
Guys, we have a GoPro tied to our lure.
Lure.
Lure, James McLure.
Let's see what it is, boys. See what she
How did
is.
you know, dude?
I heard it.
You have a Bluetooth connection on your fishing pole?
Alright, we got net ready.
Eat it.
Is it a cat?
Yeah.
That's not a little cat.
We got it!
That's a fat
I think we
sailcat.
should eat that.
That's a fat sailcat.
We can eat sailcat.
I know, I said I think
my
we should
God.
eat
Let's do it.
We don't have any way to peel the skin off.
I have a cutting board.
it.
Yeah! Alright, we got our fillet down. Come on this.
Salt Bay, Salt
Come in
Bay.
on this. Very nice. We're gonna throw that on the skillet, give it a light fry, some lemon pepper.
It knows, dude.
Update. Tristan's a fire god. We just got a bunch of dead palm fronds. We explored the island a bit. Not much that we can tell in the nighttime, but we're excited to explore it tomorrow. Chef Logan here just whipped up some
don't forget about Tristy.
and Tristy just whipped up some Rice Krispie cereal, marshmallows on the fire for a nice campfire treat. Let's do it sideways. Can we do it? Local men catch a fish.
What is that?
What is it?
No, what's
Is it a sailcat or what?
That's my bait.
Yo, what is the bait?
Your clam.
2 catfish for the boys.
Do we have pliers? Did you bring pliers?
Biscuit. Trolling through the little sound here. Trying to get some bait or some mullet. About 2 feet of water. Get the trolling motor going. Saw some fish, just haven't caught anything yet. Oh shoot. There's more.
Watch out. I'm gonna blind cast it.
There's more. What is that?
There's
What is that, mullet? Concludes the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please comment, and I'd love to get back to you. Thanks for watching.